You're gonna sit on it, aren't you? You can do it, little girlie. Did you figure it out?
Let's explore and learn.
Got enough toys? Hi, honey. Oh, yeah. What's that? What's over there? Get it. Yay.
Come on and dance. A square has four sides.
Did you figure out how to play guitar yet?
This is a fun. Show me now.
What you doing? Well,
Okay, bye-bye.
well, gotta push a button again. He's gonna go sleep. Elmo's gonna go sleep. Yeah, he is. Yes, he is. He's gonna go sleep. Get the button. Push it. Push that button. You figured it out, girlie.
A square has four sides.
Oh, you sat on the square. Well, you guys had much more fun with this stuff last night. What you doing, little man?